Former Chairperson of Meghalaya State Women's Commission, Dr. Biloris Lyndem today said parents are the good caretaker of children and reiterated that many of them forget to take care of the children during their adolescent stage. Speaking to Bosco Media Network, Lyndem said that parents should be very careful not to entrust their young children to anyone, as this may put them in danger. She also stresses the need to see that the children do not leave school, as this will only create problems in the society.
Where I became the first chairperson, it was quite mind-boggling, because I was thinking, what is this? What does it mean? Then I found out that this commission is actually helping a lot the women and children in the school, will be helping a lot of women and children in the state. With the coming of the commission, we have created a lot of awareness about many people, giving a lot of problem, and then creating a lot of harassment of women and children in the state. Now we have also the Child's Rights Commission, which is also a new outcome of the commission, and I wish that this two commission will work closely so that they can tackle this problem and create awareness among the people, so that they do not have any problem with our women and children. And in this connection, I would like to say, particularly with the women of Meghalaya, the parents, they are really good taker of their kids. They take good care. They are known to be the best nannies, I could say, the ayahs of the kids. But the moment they grow up, they forget. They forget the adolescent stage, which is the most important time that they have to take care. That part they forget. They do not take so much of care. So we have a lot of problem with the adolescent children. Though the government of India have got a scheme for the adolescent children, and a lot of work has been done by the block department, each block and every community leaders and all. But till today we have still a lot of things to do in communicating the problem of the adolescent kids, both boys and girls. This is actually the issue that we have to tackle, and if we want to bring up our kids in a proper way, and to reduce also the dropout rates, and at the same time to make the kids aware that they are also a responsible citizen, to be the responsible citizen of the state. Now, thinking about this, I think I have done one small project with another person, which the copy I don't have at present here. I have kept it in the library in Mausanram. The urban and the rural. There's a lot of problem with the urban kids, because the parents, they do not have, I believe they do not have time enough, or they are not conscious about the problem of the adolescent children. So we find early teenage pregnancy is also common for that reason. So we have to take this, I think, is a big issue. We have to take up this matter in a proper way, and make a survey, and then do some research work and find out as benchmark to tackle this problem. Now, talking about the women of Meghalaya, they are very trustworthy people. They do not have anything to think about their kids when they have. I give you a small example. There's one lady who she has got a small shop in Nongpo area, and there's one person who goes from Shillong to Nongpo every day for his job. He used to visit that shop almost every day for nearly 8 or 9 years, and she had small kids, and the girls and boys and all, and then this one is about age of 8 or 9, like that. She grew up into a 12-year-old girl, and then one day she had to sell some pumpkin, and she said, go with mama, uncle, go with the uncle, and you get and collect all the pumpkins from the godown. And then she was thinking that how this shop is somewhere in the main road, and the godown is not very far, it's only about 10 minutes walk, and she never returned. And when she didn't return, she went there and she found her own daughter bleeding in the godown. So this is one example I'm giving you, that we trust and we keep calling people, unknown people, uncle, and then my own relative and we start calling them our own blood. So this is also another issue that we have to make aware.